if it's still economic for them, it's okay. And so they say that every 10 billion in deposits they make, they save 100 million versus wholesale funding costs. So this is actually still economic for them to offer 2.25%.
And that makes sense why they keep it together, because you could say, all right, fine, so spin it off and watch it get a higher valuation, but actually then that would undercut its model, right?
Right.
And so, how does that compare with J.P. Morgan, which just shut down Fin, which was a similar effort?
So J.P. Morgan shut down Fin. Nobody understood what Fin was about. I mean, it was supposed to be this thing for millennials. It had emojis. And I just think, look, it shows you that J.P. Morgan and other big banks are going to experiment. And once in a while, they're going to come out with clunkers. But the important thing is they experiment.
Hey, Amazon's had plenty of clunkers, and it's also done just fine. I like your point here, though, which is why do you need a separate brand when Chase works just fine? I'm a millennial. I use the Chase app. I think it's great.
They started Sapphire Reserve Banking,
Yep.
which is another millennial product, and that's also the same demo.
Could they do something, though, on the rate side? If what really is working in differentiating markets is those high deposit rates, why not? Why wouldn't JPM or someone else enter that game?
Well, the one thing about Fin, you make a good point, is that it paid, I think, effectively zero interest rates, even in the savings. And so, maybe that was one reason why people didn't sign up for it. However, a big, engine for their profit is the net interest margin, and they want to preserve that as long as they can.
Yeah, apparently Goldman isn't as worried, but they're an investment bank instead of a consumer one that's judged by that high standard.
No brick and mortar, too, with Marcus as well.
That's right, which makes the economics better. Hugh, thank you very much. It is, a little window, I think, inside the psyche at Goldman especially.
Yeah.
They're like, come on, just give us some credit. We're not getting any love from the street these days.
They'll get there.